Alright guys, today we're going to be opening up the RC Explosion box of volume 39. Go over the packs real quick. 1993 Series 1 Tops, 2013 Panini Prism, 2018 Topps Heritage Retail, 2018 Series 1, 2019 Bowman Retail, 2021 Bowman Retail, 2021 Bowman Draft Light, and 2022 Topps Series 1. So we'll just go in order. I'll read out who the guys you're looking for is as we go. Got a 1993 Topps Series 1 as Derek Jeter. Gold is Mo Vaughn, Red Sox. Jeff Bagwell. Next, 2013 Panini Prism, Arenado, Machado, and Garrett Cole. This is a hobby pack, so I don't know the odds for autographs in this, but you can get them. Freddie Freeman, who is now a Dodger, unfortunately. We have a gold in here. So I think, at least in basketball and stuff, they're numbered to 10. I don't know what they're numbered in here. I think he said in this video that they were like 50 or something. Ryan, oh, that's a rookie, not the one we're looking for. Ryan Jackson, this is numbered. Oh, it's still numbered to 10. That's pretty cool, that rookie numbered to 10. Not the one we're looking for. It'd be awesome if it was, but a gold. So it's pretty cool. Got two more rookies right there. Michael Waka. So a gold rookie. We'll put that on the stand. Maybe there's a Ryan Jackson fan somewhere out there. Next, 2018 Heritage. Ohtani, Devers, Bueller, Albies. This is a retail pack. Ian Happ, Rookie Cup. So none of the guys we're looking for. We have 2018 Series 1, Devers, Bueller, and Albies. Garcia, Future Stars. Now Brave. Lucas Sims. Up next, 2019 Bowman. It is looking for Franco, of course. Got Rodriguez, Luciana, Marte, and Martinez. Not a good start to the pack. Jose Altuve. Okada. Chrome. Got a Cubert Ruiz, top 100. Oh, wrong Ray. Got Hernandez, first Bowman Chrome. Up next is 2021 Bowman Retail, Austin Martin, Blaze Jordan, Acosta, Cespedes, Ian Anderson, Chrome, Riley Green, Tenna, first Bowman, Anil Cruz. Up next is 2021 Bowman Draft Light. So in these, there's no guaranteed autographs, but have the Ray Wave black and white. I think they're like one every couple packs. TJ White versus Bowman Chrome. Luciano. Burns. Up there, here's the Ray Wave. We got Brock Selvage. 92nd overall pick. There's some nice looking parallels, but not the guy we're looking for. Drew Gray, 93rd, so we went 92, 93 on the parallels. We got some paper. Connor Norby. Tommy Mace. I don't think I read out who was supposed to be in that pack, but it was Maynard, House, Waller, Davis, Montgomery, and there's some more guys. Up next is 2022 Top Series 1. Of course, you are looking for Franco, and he also listed Marsh and Duran. Chapman, Pache, who is a and a team leaders card, home run leaders. And I'm curious to see what the gold odds on that are. 1 in 38 packs. Opened a blaster earlier. Let's see what the blaster was. They're both 1 in 38. I thought it would change, but I think it's the hobby pack. But really tough to get parallels this year. Do a recap. Got a gold out of 1983, not numbered. Got just a regular refractor and a Ray Wave black and white. I think that's what it's called. It's something similar to that if it's not that. And we did get a gold rookie numbered to 10 out of the Prism, but it is not the guy we're looking for. In 2012, he hit 118, but he only had 17 at-bats. Not sure where he is at now or if he's even playing, but Ryan Jackson numbered to 10. That's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching.